The episode starts with the police escorting Jhanak to court. Bipasha receives permission to speak with her and assures Jhanak that she will definitely get bail. She offers Jhanak a place to stay at her and Nandini's home. Jhanak urges Bipasha not to worry and return home. Bipasha insists she will fight for her rights even though Lal refuses to see her. Jhanak mentions wanting to leave the city once she secures bail. Bipasha, however, remains determined to take Jhanak to her home. Anirudh contacts the police commissioner, asking about the charge sheet. The commissioner promises to check. Anirudh anxiously informs him that Jhanak is being taken to court. The commissioner advises arranging bail and reassures Anirudh to trust the legal system. Upon finding the charge sheet, the commissioner notifies Anirudh. Anirudh pleads for his help, and the commissioner promises to attend the court hearing. A police officer assures Dadi she will receive her money. Dadi remarks that if it's in her fate, she will get it. Appu arrives, announcing she doesn't want to meet Jhanak. Concerned, Kajol questions Appu's sudden change of heart. Appu believes Jhanak is suffering unjustly and vows not to forgive Arshi for it. Jhimli reassures Appu, expressing faith in Lalo's efforts to help Jhanak. Kajol recalls seeing Sarveshwar in the park and suspects he was waiting for Bipasha. Dadi urges Appu to meet Jhanak, believing nothing will happen to her. At the court, Arshi questions Anirudh's presence. Tanuja asks why he skipped work. Anirudh claims he wants to witness the depths they are willing to sink. Lalo confronts Arshi, warning her of the consequences of her actions. Arshi retorts that Lalo has no right to judge her. Anirudh declares he is fighting for the truth. Shubh tries to discourage Anirudh from opposing Arshi in court, but Anirudh stands firm, asserting his independence. The police commissioner arrives, and Anirudh asks for assistance. The commissioner informs him that Jhanak has chosen to represent herself. He introduces Inspector Sanjay, who is assigned to help. Inside the court, Anirudh offers to hire a lawyer for Jhanak, but she refuses. Sanjay advises her to reconsider, as legal representation will be necessary for the next hearing. Jhanak declines, citing her lack of money. Anirudh, visibly upset, urges her not to speak this way, insisting that she has every right to his support. Jhanak firmly rejects the idea. She spots Anirudh standing beside Jhanak and questions why she should forgive him. Shubh blames Jhanak for everything. Surprisingly, Arshi criticized this mindset, asserting it's wrong to solely blame the woman. She expresses regret for ever loving Anirudh. Tanuja tries to calm her down, predicting Jhanak's imprisonment. Arshi laments her inability to focus on her upcoming program in 2 days. Tanuja remains confident that Anirudh will eventually return to Arshi, though Arshi believes his feelings for Jhanak won't fade. Appu calls Lalo, anxiously asking if he met Jhanak. Lalo informs her about Jhanak's decision to defend herself. He reassures Appu that they won't let anything happen to Jhanak before ending the call. In court, the hearing begins. Arshi's lawyer blames Jhanak for the loss of Arshi's baby. Jhanak firmly tells the judge she will defend herself, denying all accusations. The lawyer claims to have evidence against her. Arshi believes Jhanak has no escape this time. Jhanak denying the accusations in court, claiming they are false. Arshi's lawyer, Mr. Prem, counters by asserting that the charges are supported by the investigation and evidence. The judge announces the next hearing for the following day and orders Jhanak's custody. Arshi is visibly pleased. Shubh tells Arshi that the case is progressing in her favor. The police escort Jhanak away, and she shares a glance with Anirudh before leaving. Anirudh asks Sanjay about their next move, and Sanjay suggests preparing for Jhanak's bail. Anirudh vows not to leave Jhanak alone and follows her to the jail. Lalo calls Appu to inform her about the situation. Appu breaks down in tears, and Lalo urges Kajol to comfort her. Lalo then advises Anirudh to return home, but Anirudh insists on staying near the jail. He laments how his family and Shrishti have ruined Jhanak's life. Lalo tries to calm him down, assuring him that the opposition lacks solid evidence. Anirudh, however, remains frustrated, feeling powerless. Shubh approaches Anirudh, urging him to return home. Anirudh refuses and confronts Arshi, condemning her actions. Arshi defends herself, but Anirudh accuses her of stooping low. He remarks that she is just like her mother, Shrishti. As Jhanak is taken in the police jeep, Anirudh follows, determined not to abandon her. Arshi instructs Shubh and Tanuja to restrain Anirudh. Later, the police inspector warns Anirudh against lingering at the jail, but Anirudh remains defiant. Elsewhere, Siddharu waits for Arshi at a restaurant. She arrives, and he greets her with a bouquet. Despite her apology for being late, Siddharth assures her it's fine. He reveals that he has arranged hoardings and transferred money for her benefit. Arshi questions his excessive efforts, but Siddharth expresses his admiration for her, saying she brought joy to his once empty life. When he notices her distress, Arshi confesses her heartbreak, admitting that her husband loves her sister. Siddharth comforts her, believing sometimes failure is necessary. Siddharth professes his love to Arshi, but she is shocked. He pledges to protect her, but Arshi, still reeling from her failed marriage, refuses to believe in relationships. She tells Siddharth that all she can offer is friendship. Siddharth accepts this, assuring her he only wishes for her happiness. Anirudh remains resolute in his support for Jhanak. Despite Lalo's attempts to persuade him to leave, Anirudh vows to wait outside the jail. Jhanak, seeing his determination, asks Lalo to take Anirudh home. Anirudh refuses to abandon her, but Lalo finally manages to take him away. Lalo warns Anirudh that staying at the jail could lead to punishment. Anirudh remains unfazed, declaring that he is willing to suffer if it means standing by Jhanak.